Hello friends, today we will do DAV Class-6 SST Civics Chapter 21 Our Community Life Unity in Diversity Question Answer and All Exercise. वीडियो को अंत तक देखें, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Page number 180. Something to know. A. Take the correct option. First, the smallest unit of community life is. Answer is option B, a family. Second, it is very essential to keep the environment. Answer is option B, clean and green. Third, economic development has made villages and towns. Answer is option A, close to each other. Fourth, which one of the following festivals is not a harvesting festival? Answer is option C, Diwali. Fifth, the directive principles of state policy are helpful in achieving our national goal like answer B, economic justice. B, fill in the blanks. First, several families living close to one another form a neighborhood. Second, community life promotes a feeling of togetherness. Third, depending on one another is called interdependence. Fourth, education makes us a good human being. Fifth, India is mainly a land of villages. Page number 181. C. Give one word answer to the following. First, name the first school of a child. Family. Second, name the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Pongal. Third, what makes the fulfillment of our needs possible? Interdependence. Fourth, what forces the villagers to migrate to towns and cities? Job opportunities. Fifth, which factor has diluted the impact of India's economic progress? Rapid rise in population. D. Answer the following questions in brief. First, what values does our family include in us? Answer. Inculcation of civic values are: first, discipline. Second, dedication. Third, honesty. Fourth, patriotism. Fifth, truthfulness. Sixth, sacrifice. Seventh, cooperation. Second, how does school help us in our development? Answer. School not only imparts education but also trains us in the art of community living. Third, how did economic interdependence begin in a community? Answer. First, people worked for one another in return of goods or services. Second, later on they worked in exchange for money. Third, this became the basis of all economic activities and also the sources of livelihood for the people. It was the beginning of economic interdependence. Fourth, the four essential services commonly required by rural as well as urban communities. Answer. The four essential services commonly required by rural as well as urban communities are: first, health and medical care. Second, education. Third, supply of water. Fourth, electricity, banking and insurance. Fifth, name the main factor responsible for green revolution in India. Answer. The main factors responsible for green revolution in India are: first, new agricultural implements; second, fertilizers; third, finances are easily available. E. Answer the following question. First, how did the community life begin? Answer. First, man is called social animal. Second, the society provides security and support to everyone. Third, it is due to human nature and our necessity that we enjoy living in a community. Fourth, to fulfill requirement and necessity of human being compel them to live together and extend mutual cooperation. This is how community life begins. Second, how does the cultural exchange help in community development? Answer. Cultural exchange help in community development. We know that expression and feeling of people take the forms of hobbies first. These activities kept on changing with time and place. Second, the food habit, dresses, dance forms, paintings, martial art, games, and sports varied from region to region. Third, they were influenced by geographical and climatic conditions. The interaction among the various communities influenced the custom, belief, and traditions. Third, distinguish between the rural and urban communities. Answer. Rural community, urban community. First, agriculture is the main occupation of the people living in rural area. First, in urban are people engaged in different occupation. Second, the standard of living in rural area is low. Second, the standard of living in urban area is high. Third, life in rural area is hard. Third, life in urban area is better. Fourth, highlight the factors that make the city life in India very difficult. Answer. First, overpopulation. Second, disposal of city waste. Third, the roads are overcrowded. Fourth, scarcity of clean drinking water. Fifth, accommodation is also a big problem in big. Fifth, state the provision given in the Indian Constitution which aim at bringing equality. Answer. First, the Constitution which aim at bringing social, economic and political equality. Second, the fundamental right like right to freedom, right to equality, right against etc. have been incorporated in the Constitution. Third, these directive principles have gone a long way in achieving the national goals of economic and social justice. Value-based question. First, how far do you agree with Anurag's parents? Answer. I do not agree with Anurag's parents scolding Anurag for donating blood because by donating blood, Anurag not only fulfilled his duty towards friendship but also saved a life. It is a noble cause and one must come forward to help others in the time of need. Second, what will you do if you get a chance to donate blood in such a situation and why? Answer. In such situation, I will readily donate blood because such acts the feeling of eating and develops harmony in the society. Moreover, helping others makes me happy. Page number 182, Map Skill. On an outline political map of India, locate and label the following. A. Any two North Indian states where Green Revolution took place. Answer. Punjab, Haryana. B. The state where Pongal is celebrated. Answer. Tamil Nadu. C. The state to which Bihu dance is associated with. Answer. Assam. D. The state known for Onam festival. Answer. Kerala. First, Punjab and Haryana. This is Haryana and this is Punjab. Second, Tamil Nadu. This is Tamil Nadu. C. Assam. This is Assam. Kerala. This is Kerala.